In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom CSV file fast with Koinly. By the end, you'll know exactly how to prepare a clean CSV for a KuCoin wallet and import it into Koinly without hassle. Start by opening the Koinly app in your browser and heading to the main dashboard. From here, move to the Wallets section. This is where you connect exchanges and wallets so Koinly can read your transactions. Click the option to add a new wallet or exchange, then choose KuCoin from the list. Koinly supports many connection methods, but for this walkthrough, we'll focus on creating a custom CSV that you can control and upload yourself. On the KuCoin page, select the option to download your transaction history and upload manually. This route is helpful if the API is limited, if you want to audit your data, or if you need to include specific transactions that aren't appearing automatically. Next, switch over to a spreadsheet app to create your CSV. In a new blank sheet, set up your header row exactly as follows: Koinly date, amount, currency, label, TX hash. These headers tell Koinly how to interpret each column during import, so match the spelling and order precisely. Fill the rows beneath with your transactions. Koinly date should include the full timestamp in a consistent format such as year, month, day, and time, ideally in UTC to avoid time zone mismatches. Amount is the quantity of the asset, positive for incoming and negative for outgoing if that's how your data is structured. Currency is the asset ticker, like BTC, ETH, or USDT. Label helps Koinly categorize the transaction, for example, deposit, withdrawal, or another descriptor that fits your record. TX hash is the transaction identifier if you have it. Including it improves matching and reduces duplicates. Keep the sheet tidy, avoid extra spaces, empty rows in the middle, or mixed date formats. If your spreadsheet uses commas as decimal separators, switch to periods so the CSV parses correctly. When you're done, download the file as a CSV. In most spreadsheet tools, that's file, download, then comma-separated values. Head back to Koinly, click Browse to locate your CSV and select it. Finally, click Import. Koinly will parse the file and add the transactions to your KuCoin wallet. After the upload completes, scan for any warnings or duplicates and make adjustments if needed. That's it. Your custom CSV is now in Koinly and ready for tax reporting and portfolio tracking.